Good morning, everybody. This is Mark from Creations by Mark. I want to bring you the tutorial today, left-handed and right-handed, for the C2C stitch. If you like the video, like the content, please like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate it. Alright, slip stitch. You're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Fourth chain from the hook, double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You got 2 stitches left. Double crochet in there. 1 and 2. Okay, you got 4, counting the double right there. You're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Fourth chain from the hook, yarn over, double crochet. Next chain, yarn over, if I can get it in there, double crochet. Last stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, double crochet. Okay, now you're going to turn your work. In this space right here, you're going to slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, do 3 more doubles in that space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now you're forming like a V. You're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Fourth chain from the hook, double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Next chain, double crochet. One, 2, and 3. Turn your work. Slip stitch into that one. Okay, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 more doubles. 1, 2, 3, space in there, 3, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 doubles. And 3. See how it's starting to form? Five, 6, count down 4, yarn over, 1, 2, and 3. Rotate, slip stitch. 3, 1, 2, 3, then do 3 more doubles. 1, 2, 3. Next hole, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Space, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4th one from the hook. Double. And the next one, double. The next one, double. You got 4. Turn. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. 3 more double crochets in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. 3 doubles. 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. 3 doubles. 1, 2. Whoops. 2 and 3. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Count down, 4th chain. Double crochet. A double crochet in the next 2. There's 1. And 2. Now this row, I'm going to show you the decrease. 6, you got to turn your work, slip stitch, 3 doubles. 3 chains. Now put in 3 double crochets in that space. 1, 2, and 3. That gives you your 4 doubles. Move over, slip stitch into that space. 1, 2, 3. 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. Move over, space, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 3 doubles. 2 and 3. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. Now when you go to the decrease, however big you want your project, in other words, if I got 1, 2, 3, if I got 5 rows here, whatever that is, I'm going to start decreasing now. Okay? So when you get to the desired width of what you want to make it, you're going to go over to this last one. You're going to slip stitch. Okay? You're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You're going to turn your work, and you're going to slip stitch into that one above it. Okay, that's giving you the other edge. Chain 3. There's no more chain and 6. Chain 3, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. That gives you your shell like you had before. Go over to the next one, slip stitch. Chain 3. 3 doubles. There's 2 and 3. Go over to that space, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. 3 doubles. 2, 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch in that space there. Chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now if you notice, you're coming to the end here, okay? In that space right there, slip stitch, okay? Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. In the one right above it, you're going to slip stitch into that. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Do 3 more doubles. 1, 2, and 3. Now if you notice, now you're starting to get it to squared off. Now we're working that way. So slip stitch, chain 3, 3 doubles in that space. 1, 2, and 3. Go over the next one, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. There's 1 double, 2 doubles, 3 doubles. Okay, now see, you got the row right here, and you got this one all by its lonesome. And here you're going to slip stitch You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You notice these are the chain 3 spaces right here. Okay, turn your work, slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now 3 more doubles. It's 2 and 3. Go to the next one, slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 doubles in that same space. 2, 3. Okay, now we're at the end again. You got that space. Slip stitch, chain 3. Turn your work. Slip stitch into that one. See how it's starting to form the square going up. Chain 3, 2, 3. 2 more. There's 1, or 3 more. 2 and 3. Now you're left with the 1 on the edge. You're going to slip stitch there. Chain 3, 2, 3. Turn your work. Slip stitch into there. And there you go. So when you get up to your desired, just cut your yarn, pull through. Now I used a bigger hook to show you the details, but if you go by what it says on the yarn, it's going to be a lot tighter. So just remember, when you go to decrease, when you go up 1 row and you go to start it, to go back this way, you go all the way to here until you have 1 all by itself. Okay? Watch the video and you'll see what I'm talking about. But it's a very easy stitch. I make a lot of this for the boggy blankets, and we'll take it from there. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share, because we're trying to get our channel up, and with all your help, I'm quite sure we can. Alright, so you have a good day, and you take care. Bye-bye.